Hello, I'm John Bixby, one of the band directors here at Miami Art Studio.
I'm Eric Rivera, I'm the other band director, and I do the director of jazz studies.
So in the middle school, for auditions, basically you will start with one major scale, that by memory, and then a chromatic scale, if you know one. And then we'll proceed with your prepared piece, one prepared piece about 30 seconds to 1 minute long. And then we will have you do an oral exam, which will be basically giving you a rhythm or giving you a pitch to repeat back to us, followed by a little question session. For high school, it's basically the same thing, but for the scales, you'll do 6 major scales, a chromatic scale, the range of your instrument, your prepared piece. Those will be two pieces, one lyric, one technical excerpt. For percussionist, you will need to do a snare drum, a mallet, and a timpani excerpt. Okay? There will be a sight reading, and there will be a pitch identification, and then of course a little interview at the end of that, along with a music theory quiz.
For the middle school, and regarding the jazz program, if you'd like to be part of the jazz program, if you have experience playing already, then you're going to go ahead and play one jazz standard that's of your choice. You can go ahead and, if you're not sure, you can contact us and we can help you out with that. In regards to the high school, there's one prepared jazz standard that you're going to play in addition to your classical audition. So we can determine whether you're able to be in the jazz program. So we have a middle school jazz band that consists of only middle school usually. And then we have 3 levels of jazz band right now. So the second jazz band consists of a few middle school kids and mostly high school kids. And then in the top jazz band, that's pretty much only high school kids. And but it could be a middle school kid if there's one student that's outstanding, then they meet the criteria, then that could be a possibility. So the top jazz band is part of our what's called Jazz Institute, and this is our first year of offering it at MAS. And the Jazz Institute, they have 2 jazz classes, and they're going to go ahead and have 1 concert. So you'll have a total of 3. So the 2 jazz classes are going to be the jazz strand. They're going to go ahead and take those 2 jazz classes. And then the third is their concert class. So it would take one of your electives. But again, that's the jazz emphasis for the Jazz Institute. So if you're just part of the classical and you want to do a jazz elective, then that's an option. So again, try and make that part of your audition because it makes your possibilities of being here greater, obviously. So.
Along with that, with the concert band, there are 3 levels of concert band that we have here at Miami Art Studio. We have the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced levels. So, and each one of those is a dual enrollment magnet as well, unless you're part of the Jazz of Intense program.
If you go to our website, mosbandmiami.com, again, it's mosbandmiami.com. If you go to that website, one of the first links that you'll see, it says Learn More. There's a brochure on there that tells all the requirements and lays out our programs and what we have to offer here. I'd encourage you to go ahead and download that link so you can see all we have to offer. But we're looking forward to having you here at MAS.
So thanks for viewing this, and if you have any questions, please let us know, and we'll look forward to seeing you here at MAS.